In this video, we will show you how to replace your vehicle's ignition coils on this Honda Civic. You'll have 4 of these attached across the top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The process for one is going to be the same as all others. Let's start right along here. We're going to disconnect our electrical connector leading to our ignition coil. To disconnect your electrical connector, we're going to press in on the locking tab here. You can also use a small pocket screwdriver to lift up on the locking tab if necessary. Once you've done that, just go ahead and pop that out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion. Set that aside. Continue on to removing the ignition coil. You'll find that you have one 10mm headed mounting bolt holding it in place. Let's take hold of that ignition coil, give it a little twist, pull it up and away. There it is, friend. A quick inspection will set this aside. Carefully get that ignition coil down into its port. Start pressing it in. It should not bind in any way. Align your mounting bolt port, start it in, snug it up. The torque for this is 9 foot-pounds. Reconnect your electrical connector. Line it up, press it in, listen for a click, a light tug confirming it's properly secured. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, repeat the process for all others as necessary. After that, go ahead and start up the vehicle. Make sure you have no running condition, no check engine light, and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.